Alright, so if you want to go ahead and convert blurry images of yourself or like maybe some celebrity or maybe some old interviews that you want to recreate those images into HD quality and cinematic type quality. So yeah, you can do that very easily by using Google Gemini, and this whole process would be completely free. You do not need subscription or anything at all. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright, so first of all, you need to have some blurry images of some celebrities. You can pick them from like any video. Like I went to YouTube and just search over here old celebrities blurry interviews. It would be from like 2000 or maybe 1990s or something. You can simply need to go ahead and just have some images ready with you so that you can go ahead and convert those into the HD quality, the cinematic quality. And for that, you only gonna require one single prompt, and that I'm gonna go ahead and share you down in the description so you can recreate these images with you as well. So yeah, so after that, you need to go to Google Gemini. Simply need to go ahead and drop your images into Google Gemini one by one. Like first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one, and the next thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and simply copy paste your prompt for converting your old images into HD quality. Like I have basically prepared this prompt for you. I'm gonna share this down in the description so that you can check out as well. Simply need to go ahead and copy paste this prompt into Google Gemini. Make sure your model is fast. Everything would be in default, so simply need to go ahead and click on submit, and then Google Gemini is going to basically load Nano Banana 2, and then it's going to go ahead and convert this particular image into HD quality. Like take a look at this one. This was a reference image that we provided to Google Gemini, and for that it basically gave me this image which looks absolutely perfect. Like take a look. Like it did not mess around with the facial features of Donald Trump and Epstein. It basically just had the detail as it is, like picture perfect. This was a reference image, and for that provided me with this one. And similarly, I went ahead and uploaded some other image of this character as well, this celebrity, and for that we have this particular result. Like take a look at this. This was a reference image. Take a look at this, and for that Google Gemini provided me with this result which looks absolutely perfect, HD quality, very cinematic. And then at the end, this was our last image which looks really blurry, and for that it basically converted that into this HD cinematic quality, and this looks absolutely perfect. So this is how very easily you can go ahead and basically upgrade or recreate your old blurry images into HD quality with the help of just this single prompt. So yeah, all that you can do inside of Google Gemini without going for subscription. As you guys can see right now, I am using the free version of Google Gemini right now. So yeah, that's it for today with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.